YouTube, what's good? I got a package in the mail, and we all know what this is, all right? At least I know what it is. It says Andis on the box, okay? So let's open it up. If you guys been following me on Instagram, you know I've been throwing a lot of subliminals at Andis, but here's the receipt. You don't need that. Here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the Andis GTX EXO cordless lithium ion trimmer. That was a lot to say. That was a lot to say, but I'm gonna be trying to line up as many clients as I can today with this. But let's just open it up to see what it looked like for real, for real. We don't need that. All right, they wanna really try to tighten this. Alright. The packaging is pretty nice though, I'm gonna be honest with you. But as you can see, we pull this out and I really don't need the rest. Take it out of the blue packaging. This looks nice, I'm gonna be honest. It's definitely, look at the gold blade. Hey, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. With the gold blade, I needs my credit. You know what I'm saying? They took the gold blade from me, and if anybody been following me for a long time, you know in barber school I was using the gold blade. I put the gold blade on the map. I'm just throw that out there. I put the gold blade. I definitely put the gold blade on the map, but definitely this was a nice touch. Yeah, I'm about to line up as many people as I can, like I said. Hopefully, I get some lineups today. Alright, so I'm looking at it, and it's not all the way up like I want it, so I'm going to have to zero gap it. It's basically the same thing, though. You take off these two screws, you adjust it. But, yeah, out of the box, it doesn't come zero gapped. You guys are probably going to ask me how am I going to zero gap it. The 1 minute blade setter by Chuka the Barber. Shout out to Chuka. That's how you basically, you know, zero gap the blade. You just push it up, boom, bam, boom, and then you're good. You just tighten up the screw.
Where you get your beats?
So the first cut I did, you really didn't get to see how crispy that the line was. Like using this, you didn't get the ash mark because there was a lot of oil on the blade. So I suggest like you guys take off the blade, not take off the blade, but like spray some Cool Care on it and then like put a blow dryer to it so it'll take off all the oil. So that's why it just didn't come out as sharp. But these is pretty. These is
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction. Where you get your beats?